In today's movie review, we're going to talk about a popular movie titled Devoted to Love. And the following actors are Stan Nze, Okawa Chesney. This movie talks about a lady that escaped from a man predator that was after her life and ran into a man called Andre. This lady's name was Mary. Stan Nze acted Andre in this movie. Now, this lady with time restored the peace between Andre and his brother. Now, as the film went on, this lady called Mary observed that she has developed affection for Andre's brother, which caused an opening of old wounds, which brought about sacrifices and many different choices, which were difficult. Now, to watch the full movie, I would like you to go to this channel, Nolly Steez TV. Nolly Steez TV. And please, if you have not subscribed and liked my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and like. Thank you.